Hello everyone, this is Shweta. Today you are watching my channel Thousands and Tarot, and today we are going to talk about switch words. We see switch words all over the internet every day, a lot of them, right? Even you can find many on my channel, my Instagram, and you guys share beautiful reviews about it every day. So, let's just talk about a little in detail about switch words today. Please be there till the end in this video because I'm going to share 5 life-changing switch words for you. Let's make it a little relatable. Do you have a particular smell or particular koi gana, any song, any taste or any smell, any particular perfume that reminds you of someone or something or some happy incident? Like whenever you get that, you just feel about that particular happy moment or that person, memories with that person. Do you? Okay, let me connect it with switch words now. Okay, so basically, switch words are something, some sort of words that connects your subconscious mind with some sort of reality that you are trying to manifest. Basically, switch words are a switch button to activate or reprogram your subconscious mind with the reality you are trying to manifest. Secondly, there are many type of switch words. There are folkshares, there are Vedic switch words, there are one word spells, and mostly the Vedic ones, one word spells, and there are multiple, they hold a significance with a sort of particular energy. जैसे कि there are many switch words, Vedic switch words, they hold significance with some Indian gods, goddesses, etc. However you want to relate, you can relate. Can anybody chant switch words? Absolutely yes. How does it help? It's gonna reprogram your brain, it's gonna invoke that energy of that particular deity, and it's always gonna help you manifest your desires. Okay, now let's just discuss how to use them. First, my favorite, chanting. Chant them 51 times, 108 times, or just put a 5 or 10 minutes stopwatch and keep on chanting wholeheartedly with intention. Second method is water manifestation. You can charge your water with that particular switch word. You can write it on a paper. The paper can be colorful, any color that you wish to, or white paper, or you can just match it with the like intention that you're like, if you're manifesting love, put a red or pink. You are manifesting money, then put a green, whatever. Or you can just take normal white paper, put it under a glass of water or a bottle of water, leave it for overnight, and next morning when you wake up, drink it. That's all you have to do. You can speak your manifestation, your switch word with intention into water and drink it as well. You can write your switch word on your left arm as well. If you are manifesting something and if you are banishing something, then you can write it on your right hand as well. And yeah, you can also include it in your pillow manifestation. You can just write it on a chart and put it under your pillow. That's all. Can we do all the methods all together? 100% yes. The first and my favorite switch word for any wish is wolf magic begin now. I have a detailed video on this. I'll link it in the description box. You can go check it out. So my next favorite is divine magic begin now. Divine magic begin now. That's one of my favorites because it can get you out of any problem. Trust me on this. It can get you out of any problem and manifest anything that you are desiring. Be very grateful, be in a receptive mode, show gratitude and chant it continuously. Next favorite is Pushpit. Pushpit is a Vedic switch word and it can again solve any of your problems and it can manifest anything. Pushpit is a very beautiful word to chant and it's very crisp as well. So keep your intention very clear, short, and crisp. Keep on chanting. Now comes one of my, again, the most favorite, and it never fails, which is praise. Praise. If you are looking for attention in a like group of people, you want praise, you want attention, you want to look attractive, beautiful, chant praise, praise, praise. Keep on chanting it with intention. If you are going for a gathering, if you are going for a party, if you want attention in your office, in your workplace, on social media, wherever you want, keep on chanting praise with intention. And now comes my again another favorite. If you want that spark love in your relationship, keep on chanting divine together. Divine together. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. If yes, then do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what is the next topic you wanna hear about. Okay, till then, take care, all of you. Bye bye.